Hey there, garden lovers. Are you dreaming of turning your small space into a lush tropical paradise? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 20 creative upcycled garden design ideas that will transform any tiny area into a stunning oasis, using materials you might already have at home. From vertical gardens to eco-friendly planters, these ideas are not only space-saving but also sustainable. So, whether you have a balcony, a tiny backyard, or just a cozy corner to work with, stay tuned because we've got some incredible inspirations coming your way. Let's get started. Transforming old wooden pallets into a lush vertical garden is an excellent way to maximize small spaces. By stacking the pallets against a wall or fence, you create an instant green backdrop filled with tropical ferns and colorful flowers. This upcycled solution not only saves space, but also adds a vibrant touch to your oasis. Pair it with warm ambient lighting for a cozy evening atmosphere. If you have old tires lying around, don't throw them away. Turn them into beautiful hanging planters. A fresh coat of paint in tropical hues can bring them to life. Suspended from a sturdy frame or stacked on the ground, these planters can house cascading greenery, transforming any small space into a vibrant and eco-friendly garden. Even the smallest spaces can benefit from a touch of green. By repurposing mason jars or glass bottles, you can create a hanging mini jungle. Fill them with ferns, moss, or tiny tropical plants and hang them near a sunny window or on a wall. This delicate yet eye-catching design adds life to any small outdoor or indoor space. An old bathtub can be given a second life as a mini pond, perfect for small gardens. Add floating lotus flowers, water hyacinths, and even small fish to create a serene oasis. Surround it with tropical foliage like elephant ears and palms to complete the look. This upcycled water feature will add tranquility to any compact outdoor space. Stacking plastic bottles vertically is a brilliant way to maximize planting space while keeping waste out of landfills. Fill each bottle with herbs, flowers, or small ferns to create a stunning green tower. This vertical garden not only conserves space, but also allows for easy maintenance and harvesting, making it both functional and beautiful. Natural elements bring warmth and charm to any tropical garden. By using reclaimed driftwood as a base, you can create a stunning plant wall featuring mounted orchids, bromeliads, and air plants. This design not only looks organic but also blends seamlessly with other tropical decorations, giving your small space an enchanting, natural feel. An old suitcase can become an unexpected but delightful planter. Open it up and fill it with rich soil, then plant succulents, ferns, and trailing vines for a charming garden piece. Place it on a table or shelf, and you'll have a mobile, vintage-inspired tropical sanctuary that is both unique and practical. Coconut shells are an excellent upcycled planter option, offering a natural and tropical aesthetic. Simply hollow them out, add soil, and plant ferns or small tropical flowers. Hanging these planters from a pergola or a tree branch can create a beautiful floating garden, perfect for adding depth to a small space oasis. Bamboo is a sustainable material that can transform a dull fence into a vibrant tropical garden. Attach small planters or hanging baskets filled with exotic plants and flowers to create a vertical green wall. This natural and earthy design enhances privacy while making your small space feel like a lush jungle retreat. Repurpose an old wooden ladder as a multi-tiered plant stand to display tropical plants of different sizes. Each step can hold potted flowers, trailing vines, or succulents, creating an eye-catching display. This solution is perfect for small balconies, patios, or even indoor spaces where floor space is limited. Give an old dresser a new purpose by turning it into a tiered garden display. Pull the drawers out at different levels and fill them with soil, allowing a cascade of vibrant flowers and lush greenery to spill over the edges. This upcycle project is a great way to add character and function to a small garden. Old rain gutters can be transformed into a stylish and space-saving green wall. Mount them onto a fence or wall and plant trailing vines or herbs inside. This vertical garden not only adds greenery, but also helps in organizing plants efficiently, making it a fantastic solution for small space gardening. Don't let old wicker baskets go to waste. Turn them into charming planters. Hang them from hooks or place them on shelves, filling them with tropical plants like ferns and orchids. The woven texture of wicker adds a rustic, bohemian charm, enhancing the overall aesthetics of a tropical garden. Even broken or mismatched teacups and mugs can become adorable planters for small greenery. Place them on a wooden shelf, lining up different plants to create an artistic display. This creative upcycling idea is perfect for adding a whimsical touch to your small garden space. Old tree stumps don't have to be removed. They can be repurposed into natural planters. Hollow them out and fill them with tropical flowers or ferns, turning them into unique, eco-friendly garden features. Their rustic charm adds a woodland vibe to any small space. Give old shoes a second life by planting small succulents or tropical ferns inside them. Hang them on a wooden wall or fence, creating a fun and quirky vertical garden. This unexpected yet creative design adds a playful element to any compact garden space. Vintage bird cages make beautiful, airy planters when filled with cascading vines and bright flowers. Hanging them from a pergola or tree branch creates a floating green sanctuary, adding depth and visual interest to your garden. Stacking old bicycle wheels together to form a trellis is a clever way to support climbing tropical vines. Painted in bright colors or left rustic, this structure adds an artistic touch to your small garden while maximizing vertical growing space. For a modern and industrial aesthetic, stack concrete blocks in an artistic arrangement, using the open spaces as planters for tropical succulents and ferns. This sturdy and customizable design allows you to create a stylish green wall without taking up too much space. Old window frames can be repurposed into a small DIY greenhouse, perfect for nurturing tropical seedlings. By enclosing them with clear panels, you create a cozy microclimate that helps plants thrive, making it an ideal solution for small gardens or balconies. And there you have it, 20 amazing upcycled garden ideas to turn any small space into a tropical paradise. From repurposed pallet gardens to hanging coconut planters, we've seen how creativity and sustainability can go hand in hand. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which idea was your favorite? Or do you have your own upcycled garden project? Let's chat in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to HomeSpot for more awesome garden inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.